Okay, go ahead.
Bare hand works better. That's all motion.
Housekeeping?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's getting full.
Oh my God! Dave, you're killing it!
My garbage disposal is broken.
Dave!
You broke my
You
garbage.
killed it!
Oops, I better shut it off.
You broke my garbage disposal.
Oh my God!
Let me dig it out.
You broke my
Let me dig it out. I told you he was gonna stick his hand down.
disposal.
I just gotta get more water in there.
That's what happens when he's on drugs. Oh my God, Dave.
You broke
I
it.
can't believe you totally just broke the entire garbage disposal.
Get out.
I can't.
Get out. Go take that off.
We're not making the pie. There's still. It's.
Oh, there's one of the blades.
That better be off.
What's in the garbage disposal?
Nothing.
Pizza.
Go check the circuit breaker, see if I blew it.
I'm gonna check.
Button.
Don't press no button down there with my hand in here.
You're
Oh yeah, good idea.
Where is the guy? Okay, there's a button.
There we go.
Whoa!
Our button got pushed.
There, now I can shove my hand in there.
Oh my God, Dave! Dave! Dave, that's your hand. Dave, that's your hand.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God. Whoa! There's smoking. Okay, Dave, you can have to turn it off now. Unless you want to stick one of your other body parts in there.
Where you guys hiding stuff?
Oh, here we go.
Alright, that pizza's all screwed up.
Denny Sanford was proud of you.
Yeah, I've shoved all that food in the garbage.